Hi, you're watching ModShapes, and I'm Alex Steele. And today, I'm going to talk to you about how I made this cool sign. Very short project video, which is comprised of one part success, one part fail, and one part learning. And before I jump into that, I would just take a minute to say hello and to tell you guys what I've been working on. There's no project video made for this yet, but I've created a little hub for Mexican train dominoes. Yeah, if you have ever played this game, cheaper versions don't have a really big, nice, thick hub like this. So I designed one, and specifically for the game, I built it from scratch. Today's project video is how I made the sign. And this is a ModShapes sign. At the final stage, I attached some magnets to the back, simply just super glued and clamped them on. And this is the sign. It's a piece of 3D printed PLA plastic with metallic acrylic paints on it. So this is how that turned out. I hope you guys like it. We're always striving for improvement, so I went back to the drawing board and I decided to use specific colors in advance. And I approached this with a new plan. This was a result with no black used at all for darker edges, and I kind of like this one better. Now for some reason, probably in my G-code settings, this 3D model wasn't as strong as the first, so I'm going to take the time to put a resin coat on it to strengthen it up before I take time to put the magnets. I like the second version much better than the first. Let me know in the comments which one you like better. I want to tell you how much I appreciate you being here, how grateful I am that you're watching this channel, and how much it means to me that people are interested in what I'm doing. If you have any questions, or if there's anything particular you'd like me to make, go ahead and leave me a comment, and I'll get to them as soon as I can. There are a couple of pictures of a failed project. It's a mystery project. It's a teaser for what's coming, so make sure you stay tuned for that. It's always the best time to be kind to each other, and I'll see you later.